My name is Daniele Prandini. I am a co-owner of WS SRL in Maranello. WS SRL is based in Maranello, in the heart of Motor Valley. It is a company that operates mainly in the motorsport sector. Our primary mission is certainly to serve Formula One teams and various motorsport teams, both in four-wheel and two-wheel categories, in the absolute best possible way, by providing advanced high-tech components for the production of high-performance engine parts and chassis components. The company was founded in 2004 and started out as a welding company with 3 partners at the beginning. We produce a great many components because we are primarily prototype manufacturers. Our company specializes in producing engine parts and chassis components for cars, both open-wheel and GT cars, as well as for the World Endurance Championship. Furthermore, we manufacture a wide variety of parts, ranging from components for fluid dynamics, such as those for water and oil flow and engines, to highly specialized components made to the specific requirements of our customers. Or we can provide simply subcontracted components made through turning or milling processes, which are widely used both in industrial equipment and in components of cars or motorcycles. Yes, we have always been specialized manufacturers of high-quality car lifters, specifically designed for Formula One racing. We produce them based on the customer's design. We also do co-design. These are certainly very important devices because today, Formula One has become an increasingly extreme competition, where every second counts, and having the right device with the proper functionality, which comes from the fit and the precision used in production, has become essential to remain competitive. And we are proud to be the primary manufacturers of these components. The teams that use our products are mainly Formula One teams, and we work for the most prestigious and elite teams in the championship. Scuderia Ferrari is certainly one of our most significant clients and has always been one of our valued customers. In Formula One, we have other teams that use our products, and outside of this environment, we work for teams in the WRC world. And motorcycle racing teams, or simply high-end automotive and motorcycle manufacturers, both for cars and motorcycles. I firmly believe our products are better than those of our competitors for 2 important reasons. One of them is not mainly related to the product, but to the service we provide. This gives us a clear advantage in the market because we are able to be fast, efficient, and competitive. This is also thanks to the technologies we use. The software we use gives us great support. One of these is certainly ENCY CAD. More than ever before, technology is absolutely vital because you simply cannot function without cutting-edge technologies. Not having them would mean being inefficient, and it would mean being far less competitive. So it is certainly true that having a CAD/CAM system that is highly responsive, quick to use, and doesn't waste any time provides a fundamental advantage. For me, technology is very important. We invest continuously, and I appreciate companies that provide software that is constantly updated because the market is always evolving. We use 5-axis vertical CNC machining centers, advanced learning centers, and automated twin spindle machines, motorized. Then we also have 3-axis vertical machining centers. We use the ENCY CAM system, which is a specialized CAM system. We utilize it for our turning operations to perform both turning and milling. This covers everything up to twin spindle turning with part transfer, managing the entire process from the initial study all the way to the finished component. In my opinion, the formula for the best CAD/CAM is definitely a CAM system that is very easy to use. Today, I would also like to take the opportunity to discuss a CAM system integrated with advanced artificial intelligence to make operations much easier and more efficient, at least for the simpler ones. This is a CAM that is streamlined and easily accessible, providing a very user-friendly experience which allows you to seamlessly edit your machining operations, even while in operation during various post-processing stages. It would certainly be very interesting to have a CAD/CAM system that is exceptionally intuitive and user-friendly, even for the initial research and preliminary study phase, and therefore for the process of cost estimation. In summary, the positive experience we have is certainly a successful one, and the successes we have achieved over all these years of developing the mechanical processing department are also, in large part, thanks to ENCY CAM.